if let's say for some reason you forgot or you missed them, pray them when you remember. As soon as you remember, let's say you were in your hotel and you remember that, oh, I forgot 2 rak'ah. Next time you go to Haram, first floor, second floor, doesn't matter where you at, try to go where the door of Kaaba is, that area. So in front of you, Kaaba, Muqam Ibrahim, and you are perpendicular. Anywhere you are. And when you are facing Muqam Ibrahim and Kaaba both, think of not Maqam as his feet only. Maqam as maqamuhu in Islam. What is his maqam? He's Imam. He is Rajul Murabit for Allah. He fought for Allah. He stood for Allah. He was thrown in fire for Allah. But he did not change his deen in all the masaib of dunya. That's maqam of Ibrahim. And he always won. Right? Allah called him, Ibrahim alladhi waffa. Wafa wala hai Ibrahim. Not bewafa. Not bidun wafa, biwafa. He's waffa. So that's the maqam you should think of when you pray. Most people think of maqam only his feet. No, it has double meaning. Not just physical maqam, his spiritual maqam in Islam. So remember, no 2 nafil after Safa Marwa. The only 2 nafil is part of tawaf. It's called rak'atain wajibut tawaf. Every time you do tawaf in life, you must pray 2 rak'ah with it. Tawaf is not complete without 2 rak'ah. And the blessing of tawaf, oh my God. 1 tawaf, full 7 circuits, is equivalent to freeing a slave for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And whoever freed 1 slave for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will have a house in Jannah. Prophet told us more or less meaning of the hadith. Inshallah ta'ala.